This video is brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Enjoy the video. Getting a hospital bed for home use at little or no cost is possible, especially if it's medically necessary. Here are several options you can explore. First, Medicare. If you're eligible for Medicare Part B, they typically cover 80% of the hospital bed cost if your doctor prescribes it for home use, and it is deemed medically necessary. You'll need a written order from your doctor, and the bed must be obtained from a Medicare-approved supplier. You pay the remaining 20%, unless you have supplemental insurance that covers it. Medicare usually covers semi-electric beds with manual head and foot adjustments and electric height. Full electric beds may not be fully covered. Next, Medicaid. Coverage varies by state, but most state programs will pay for a hospital bed if it's medically necessary. Contact your local Medicaid office or Department of Health and Human Services for details. For those with private insurance, check your durable medical equipment coverage. Like Medicare, most require a prescription and proof of medical necessity. Veterans may be eligible for a hospital bed through VA benefits. Contact a VA medical center or a VA social worker to start the process. Local nonprofits and charities can also be a great resource. Organizations like the Lions Clubs, Knights of Columbus, Council on Aging, local churches, and independent living centers often provide hospital beds at low or no cost. United Way and Habitat for Humanity restores sometimes carry durable medical equipment. Consider medical equipment loan closets or medical lending libraries in your area. These organizations let you borrow hospital beds and other equipment for free or a small donation. Online platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or FreeCycle are also options. Families often donate or sell used hospital beds for cheap or free. Just ensure the bed is in safe working condition and sanitized before use. Finally, hospice or home health agencies can provide a hospital bed if a patient is under their care. The agency will often arrange for the bed as part of the care plan. These options make it feasible to acquire a hospital bed for home use, ensuring comfort and care when needed. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels we have on YouTube, like short Bible stories, hard biblical questions, and top 10 most loved Bible verses. Please check them out. I think you will enjoy them. Thank you and God bless.